This video will guide you through adjusting the L-TWOO mechanical front derailleur. Before adjusting the front derailleur, please read these important notes. L. Low limit screw. Shift the rear derailleur to the largest sprocket, and the front derailleur to the smallest chainring. Loosen the cable fixing screw using a 5 mm hex key. This will release the shift cable. Now, the front derailleur is in its initial position. Using a 5 mm cross screwdriver, adjust the L screw until the inner plate is 0.51 mm from the chain. Cable adjustment. Route the shift cable through the cable fixing slot and pull it tight. Tighten the screw using a 5 mm hex key. The setup should now match the video. Shift the rear derailleur to the largest sprocket and the front derailleur to the largest chainring. If the front derailleur can't shift to the largest chainring, move it back to the smallest chainring. Then, turn the high-limit screw counterclockwise. Make small adjustments with the barrel adjuster, press the shifter, and continue until the chain shifts to the largest chainring. Fine-tune the gap between the inner plate and chain to 0.51 mm using the barrel adjuster. H. High-limit screw. Shift the rear derailleur to the smallest sprocket and the front derailleur to the largest chainring. Adjust the H screw with a 5 mm cross screwdriver until the gap between the outer plate and chain is 0.51 mm. Shift through the gears to confirm everything is working smoothly. Thank you for watching.